Hi guys, welcome back to Rabbitt Learning. We are starting with the most awaited series of Python with hands-on projects and industry-based learning. Look around you, Python is everywhere. From your AI tools to Netflix recommendation system. Now the question is, are you ready to build some crazy projects? Python is the most in-demand skill of 2025. It has a great scope in machine learning, data science, deep learning, basically in every fast-growing industry today. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. That means it's easy to understand, write and learn, even if you are a complete beginner. Companies are begging for Python talent. In India alone, over 1.5 lakhs jobs are open right now, and globally, Python developers are earning over 15 to 45 LPA easily. But here is the problem with most Python courses: too much theory, no real skill. But this time, we just flipped the script. We created a Python-packed course. It's not just about theory this time. You will build many projects with the power of AI tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama Coder, and many more. So, if you are waiting for the right course, this is it. Learn Python and build real projects and land your dream job. Let's get started.